Hey guys, hi, hello, namaste, adab, sat sri akal, assalamu alaikum, vanakkam and khambagani to all of you. Welcome Bacha Party, welcome to today's class. I hope all of you are amazing and awesome. So today's class we have subjective case based questions, alright, and we are doing the topic some applications of trigonometry. How are you all बच्चों? कैसे हैं सारे बच्चे? Hello. Hello, Pradismita. Hello, Mr. Unknown. Oh, Normi Sharma, Virender Singh, Babu Champion. Who else is over here? Ajay, Shamima. Others who are over here. Welcome, बच्चों. Welcome. My name is Muskan. Hello, Muskan, beta. Hello, Virender. I'm awesome, yaar. I'm awesome. Hello, Ishan. Hello, Sanika ji. Hello, Tanisha. हेलो आकाश हेलो तो बच्चों एज यू ऑल नो वी आर डूइंग द सब्जेक्टिव केस बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस ठीक है जिसमें लाइक एज यू नो इन द अकॉर्डिंग टू द न्यू पैटर्न सब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस यू नीड टू गो थ्रू इट है ना सो विल बी सॉल्विंग दीज काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस है ना लुकिंग एट सम प्रॉब्लम्स आई होप यू विल आल्सो बी मोर कॉन्फिडेंट है ना ऑल राइट थैंक यू सो मच बेटा थैंक यू सो मच चलो सो लेट अस स्टार्ट द क्लास या ठीक है आकाश बेटा इन दिस नो here we'll be discussing the case study based questions na so there it is difficult okay ठीक है so guys before I start let me tell you one thing do fill the form over here regarding the Revise India Camp series all right so it's just about knowing your dates for the examination or when your exams are about to over here so ICSE students also yes I know so you can put your dates as well although this is like grade 10 students I know they won't be their dates I know we all will get to know but for grade 9 students it is more important okay ठीक है चलो so let us start the class बच्चों शुरू करते हैं so first let us start sir yes babu ICSE students definitely can attend it Virender beta we don't have mentee in today's class okay ठीक है चलो let's see the first question what does it tells us in an exhibition a statue stands on the top of a pedestal ठीक है this is called a pedestal means a platform है ना ऐसा pedestal के ऊपर you have kept a statue here this is your pedestal and this is your statue all right so from the point on the ground where a girl is clicking so girl is on the point on the ground clicking the photograph of the statue the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degree and from the same point the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degree so suppose guys DC is your pedestal and BD is your statue all right what I have told कि भाई DC is your pedestal and BD is your statue so we need to find out what we need to find out bachcho first thing height of the pedestal is 20 so height of the pedestal means CD is given as 20 and they are asking us what is the height of the statue so I can say first if I know CD I can easily find out AC I can say sir in triangle ACD I'll say tan 45 degree will be equal to CD upon AC tan 45 is 1 CD is given as 20 upon AC you got AC also as 20 then I can say sir in triangle ABC let's go for triangle ABC I'll say tan 60 degree will be equal to perpendicular is BC upon AC tan 60 is root 3 BC we don't know AC is 20 so I'll get BC as 20 root 3 you want the height of the statue that means you want to find out what is BD I'll say BD is equal to BC minus CD so BC is 20 root 3 minus 20 you'll get 20 times of root 3 minus 1 meters all right ठीक है so it is going to be 20 times of root 3 minus 1 simple है if you want you can put root 3 as 1.73 minus 1 so 0.73 into 20 you can get that as well okay next is if the height of the statue this time height of the statue is given as 1.6 then height of the pedestal so beta same method we need to do Same thing. This time first I'll go for triangle ABC. I'll say tan 60 degree is equal to the height of the this BC upon AC. So this time let's say this height of the pedestal is X. So I'll say tan 60 degree, which is root 3, is equal to BC is 1.6 plus X divided by AC. AC अपने को नहीं पता है, ठीक है. Between AC and CD, can we get a relationship? So here I'll say, sir, in triangle ACD, I will say tan 45 degree will be equal to CD upon AC. Tan 45 is 1, CD is X, AC we don't know. We'll get AC is also equal to X. ठीक है? This is also equal to X. So divide by AC, which is equal to X. You got an equation. Root 3X is equal to 1.6 plus X. So you'll get root 3 minus 1 taken common into X is equal to 1.6. X is equal to 1.6 upon root 3 minus 1. Rationalize it because we don't want denominator over here. So 1.6 times of root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 square is 3 minus 1 square is 1. 3 minus 1 is 2, which is 0.8 times. So we're getting 0.8 times of root 3 plus 1. Alright bachcho, do remember, if you are getting the final answer where there is a scope of say rationalization, always rationalize it and then submit your answer. Okay. अरे यार sorry, my video I did not even see guys. मेरा वीडियो इतना बड़ा है, nobody even told me यार. खाली मेंटी सुनाई दे रहा है मुझे. हे भगवान. I'll repeat this one more time. देखो यहाँ पे tan 45 if I'll apply, CD is 20, so AC also will be equal to 20. Okay, so using tan 45 AC equal to 20, then I'll go for triangle ABC. Triangle ABC में BC upon AC is equal to tan 60, so you'll get BC as 20 root 3. So the length BD is 20 times of root 3 minus 1. Same thing we have done in the second part as well. First tan 45 is CD by AC. So if I take CD as X, AC also is X. Then tan 60 BC upon AC. So root 3 is equal to BC is 1.6 plus X upon X. Solve it, you'll get your answer. Okay bachcho, and remember, I am telling you, one case study is definitely going to come from the application of trigonometry. पक्का आएगा, देख लेना, because this topic is made for these kind of questions. You can create amazing questions from this. For example, look at over here. Now they'll not be giving this diagram. Alright, so I'll also tell you how you'll draw the diagram. So there are two windows in a house. First window is at the height of 2 meters above the ground. Other window is 4 meters vertically above the lower window. So suppose, I'll tell you how to draw the diagram. Suppose this diagram is not given to us. I'll say this is the ground. Alright, first window is 2 meters above the ground and the second window is 4 meters above the ground. Let's say over here. These are your two windows. Ankit and Radha are sitting inside the two windows at point G and F respectively. ठीक है, चलो तो G and F बोला है तो obviously they'll tell us over here. ठीक है, suppose if they've told कि भाई Ankit is sitting at G, Radha is sitting at F. At an instant, the angle of elevation of a balloon from these windows are 60 degree and 30 degree. So you are looking at a balloon, say somewhere over here. At one instant, the angle of elevation of that balloon from these 2 points, at one point it is 30 and at other point it is 60. So obviously the one which is at the lower point, this will be 60 and the one which is at the higher point, this will be 30. Obviously geometry. Okay, it is given to us. Let's say bachcho, I will name it according to the question only. A, B, C, D, E. Okay, this is given as 2, this is given as 4. This is how you will draw your diagram. This is how you will draw your diagram. First, take a point A, 2 meters above you have a window. Above this you have 4 meter, you have another window. Then there's a balloon, and at one instant when these two guys, one from the lower window and one from the above window, the upper window, if they look at a balloon, angle of elevation is 30 and 60 degree. So join it with the balloon, all the both the points where the point of observation, join it with the object, you'll get your line of sights, angle of elevation, you have got it over here. Now if this is 2, obviously guys this is also going to be 2. If this is 4, this is also going to be 4. Correct? And let's say this distance is equal to, we'll see what we need to find out. First h, we need to find out this h. Let us find out this h. अब बेटा देखो, let's say if I take AB as x, you know this CG also will be x and this DF also will be equal to x. ये सब तो clear है, right? All this thing is clear too. Now let us understand this topic. So if I want to get the value of h, let us look at let us look at the point where we can start with the trigonometry. As you can clearly see guys, I have two options. I have two triangles. You can clearly see I have two triangles, right? And I have two variables h and x, and I can easily find out those if I use both the triangles with their equation. So first I'll use the triangle EFD, the upper one. So in triangle EFD, if I take my theta as this 30 degree, then perpendicular is ED, base is FD. So I can say tan of 30 degree will be equal to ED upon FD. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. ED is h upon FD is x. What you are going to get? You'll get h, or you get x is equal to h root 3. First equation. So we need to find out h, right? Then let's go for the second triangle. Second triangle is EGC. Second triangle is triangle EGC. So I'll say, sir, in triangle EGC, I'll say this time tan 60 degree. This 60 degree angle, the perpendicular will be EC upon the base will be GC. Right? Tan 60 is root 3. EC is h plus 4 upon GC is x. Correct, beta? Right? Let's simplify. Shift x over there. So you will be getting root 3 of x is equal to h plus 4. Now do one thing. Replace x with h from the black equation. X can be replaced as h root 3. Right? Bas, you got your answer now. Yes or no? Root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3h is equal to h plus 4. Shift h over there. You'll get 2h is equal to 4, or you'll say h is equal to 2. Done? H will be equal to 2. Correct, beta? H will be equal to 2. Simple calculation. I saw two triangles. I saw there are two variables. I use both the triangles. I got my answer. Every time you have to do the same thing. Alright. Then they are saying height of the balloon from the ground. So our height of the balloon from the ground. H we have got as 2. This is 4. This is 2. Total height is 2 plus 4 plus 2, which is 8 meters. Done. Second one is easy. Okay, so this is how guys easily you can solve these questions. Achha, one more thing guys, Vedantu's Edfest is going on right now, and when you apply the coupon code GPE Pro, you are getting 50% off up to rupees 2000. So that is what a good offer you are getting right now. Suppose if you go for the registration, you can easily go to the description box of this video. Over here, click on avail all exciting Vedantu courses. Click on any of the link. Once you click on this link, here you can click on change to select your grade or board. I have kept CBSE 10th. Click on get started, and here guys you can see Pro Lite is available to you just at rupees 4000 and Pro Classic just at rupees 6000 for all the subjects, whole term 2 syllabus. This is what you are getting guys, amazing deal. Pro Classic mein you have one extra feature, that is doubt solving on mobile app. So you get access to Vedantu's doubt solving app where you can ask your doubts and get your answer for it. If you want, you can also try it as well. Try करने के लिए click on try for 15 days. Click करो इसके ऊपर and then you can come over here. See GPE Pro I have applied. you have got 50% off. Earlier it was 1300, 50% off, 650 off, you are getting at only 650, the trial period, right? So that is how you can avail this benefit. Now going on with the next question. Next question is देखो, a lighthouse is a tall tower with light near the top. These are often built on island, coast or on cliffs. Lighthouses are on water surface, act as a navigational aid to the mariners and send warnings to boats and ships for dangers. ठीक है, initially wood, coal would be used as illuminators, gradually la 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 la. Okay, this is up to here is story. Here what this is saying, Prongs Reef Lighthouse of Mumbai was constructed in this. It is approximately 40 meters high. Height of the this lighthouse is 40 meters given. All right, and can be seen at a distance of 30 kilometers. छोड़ो उसको. A ship and a boat. This is your ship at point C. This is your boat at point D. A ship and a boat are coming towards the lighthouse from opposite direction. देखो, first of all, both are coming towards the lighthouse. That means both are moving in this direction. And from opposite direction means one, the boat is on the left side and the ship is on the right side. Correct? Right? So that's what it is telling. The boat is on the left side of the tower, lighthouse, and the ship is on the right side. So that's why they are in the opposite direction and coming towards the lighthouse. Angle of depression of the flashlight from the lighthouse to the boat and ship is 30 degree. So from the lighthouse is joined with the boat point D, angle of depression for boat is 30. So if it is 30, this angle also is going to be 30. Interior alternate angle. If this angle is 60, this angle is also going to be 60 only. Interior alternate angles. ठीक है बच्चों. Now see what the question is telling you. First one, which of the two, boat or ship, is nearer to the lighthouse? Find its distance from the lighthouse. तो बेटा देखो, if we draw the diagram, this is something like this. This is, oh, sorry. Boat is at 30, this is at 60. A, B, C, D. Okay. A, B, C, D. This angle we have got it as 30 degree. This angle is 60 degree. And AB is given as 40. So if I have to find out that which one is near, if I look at triangle ABD, you can say tan 30 degree will be equal to AB upon BD. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. AB is 40 upon BD. You will get BD is equal to 40 root 3. Okay. Then I'll go for triangle ABC. You'll say tan 60 degree is equal to AB upon BC. Tan 60 is root 3. AB is 40. BC we don't know. We'll get BC is equal to 40 divided by root 3. Now देखो, root 3 is 1.73. So 40 multiplied with 1.73 and here 40 divided by 1.73. Obviously you will get to know that BD is greater than BC. If you want, you can divide it and multiply it, you will get it. Okay, so we'll say BD is greater than BC. So which one is near? Which one is more near? C. What is C? C is the ship. So we'll say, sir, the ship is more near. Ship is more near. अच्छा, you can rationalize with this as well. Into root 3 करके. ठीक है. Second, find the time taken by the boat to reach the lighthouse if it is moving at the rate of 20 km per hour. तो बेटा देखो भाई, boat is moving with 20 km per hour. बोट वाला केस देखते हैं. We saw this one was what? 40 meters. So this we got it as 40 root 3 meters. है ना? You want to see the time taken by the boat to reach the tower. Speed is given as 20 km per hour. 20 km per hour, if I convert it into meter per second, so 20 into kilometer is 1000. In hour there are 3600 seconds. Got cancelled. Alright, you can say 4 5 times, 4 9 times. So 50 by 9 meter per second is your speed. Okay, so this is the speed in meter per second. Distance which need to be covered we already know. So the time taken will be equal to distance by speed. So 40 root 3 divided by 50 by 9. So 9 will come over here. This to this got cancelled. 4 9s are 36 root 3 by 5 seconds. ठीक है? Okay, this is same thing ना यार. 36 by 5 here it is saying 60 by 2000. Wait, here they have made some mistake. Oh, they have done meter per minutes. Okay, they have done meter minutes. I have done meter per second. ठीक है, same thing. But here the mistake is they have taken 2 kilometer per hour. This is taken as 2 kilometer per hour. There is a mistake, guys, over here. 2000 they have done. Actually, it should be 20,000. So forget this. Okay, this is the wrong solution. This one is your correct answer. Okay, this one is going to be your correct answer, guys. देखो बेटा ईशान, this is not the correct one. According to the question 20 है. According over here the speed is 2 kilometer per hour. So how do we know it is 2? Okay, if 2 kilometer per hour then it is correct, otherwise not. ठीक है? If it is 2 kilometer per hour then it is correct. But here I have taken it in the seconds. This is going to be your answer. If it is 20 kilometer per hour, main thing distance, time is distance upon speed करना है, nothing else. Alright, next. Trigonometry is in the form of a triangulation. देखो, read the question, you'll got to know कि यार ये radio system वगैरह छोड़ो. A guard station at the top of 240 meter tower. ठीक है? So we got to know the height of the tower is 240 meters. Important thing for us. Observed an unidentified boat coming towards it. A clinometer or an inclinometer is an instrument used for measuring angles or slopes. The guard used the clinometer to measure the angle of depression of the boat coming towards lighthouse and found it to be 30 degrees. ठीक है? तो suppose from here he saw the boat. This is the boat over here. Let's say एक boat है यहाँ पे. And the angle of depression was 30 degrees. So if that was 30 degrees, this is also going to be 30 degree. Correct? ठीक है? Make a label diagram on the basis of the given information. Calculate distance of the boat from the foot of the observation tower. Okay, so let's say this is your tower. AB is your tower, which is 240 meters. 240 meters only, yes. Which is 240 meters, and this distance you need to find out, x. Right, they have told na, and the angle of depression is given as 30 degree, so this angle will also be 30 degree. They have told calculate distance of the boat from foot of the observation. So you'll use 10 30 degree will be equal to AB upon BC. 10 30 is 1 by root 3. AB is 240 upon BC. You'll be getting BC as 240 root 3 meters. What else? What easier than this they'll ask. Second part. After 10 minutes, the guard observed that the boat was approaching the tower and its distance from the tower is reduced by 240 into root 3 minus 1 meter. He immediately raised the alarm. What was the new angle of depression of the boat from the top of the observation tower? Now understand this problem. Diagram is important. Okay. Here at the first case, they have told this. Angle of depression was 30 degrees. This is 240. A, B, C. We already know that BC is equal to 240 root 3 meters. Now it has been told that the boat is approaching towards the tower and the distance is reduced by 240 into root 3 minus 1. So suppose boat upon reaching towards the tower, say reached over here at point D. It reached over here at the point D. So the reduced distance will be what? CD. That is a reduced distance. CD is given to you as 240 into root 3 minus 1. The CD is given. What many students will think ki BD is given. No. Understand the question carefully, guys. It is clearly telling you the distance is reduced by this much. So the reduction in distance is what? CD is the reduction in the distance. So CD is given to you. So I will say we need to find out what? The angle of depression of the board from the top of the observation tower. So what will be the angle of depression in this case? This theta, we need to find it out, because angle of depression over here will be theta. And this theta is equal to this theta only, interior alternate angle. So now I will say, sir, in first thing, what is the length of BD? I will say BD will be equal to BC minus CD. BC is 240 root 3 minus of this thing 240 into root 3 minus 1. And distribute kar lo. So this is going to be 240 root 3. 240 into root 3 minus of over here. So 240 root 3. And negative 240 into 1 is 240 into minus 1 is minus 240. Negative into negative is positive, plus 240. This to this got cancelled. You got BD is equal to 240 meters. BD is how much? 240 meters. Now I'll say, sir, in triangle ABD, tan theta is equal to AB upon BD, which is 240 upon 240. So tan theta is equal to what? 1, and it clearly simply it tells us that theta has to be equal to 45 degrees. Theta will be 45 degrees. ठीक है? Clear? ओके बच्चों, ठीक है? तो थीटा विल बी 45 डिग्री. सिंपल है, ठीक है बेटा. रिमेंबर the Vedantu had fest till 31st January. Earlier the price without AdFest, the price is going to be this for the Vedantu's Pro Light subscription. After AdFest, this is the reduced price for all the subjects. If you can, definitely go for it. You will definitely see an improvement in your marks and it will benefit you. Okay? Now the case study. Two hoardings are put on two poles of equal height standing on either side of the road. Okay? One is this hoarding, one is that hoarding, and this PR is your road. Now, either side of the road, one on the left side, one on the right side. From a point between them on the road, the angle of elevation of the poles are 60 degree and 30 degree. Alright. Height of the each pole. Both the poles are what? 20 meters. Very well done. Given over here. What they are asking? First one, width of the road. Simple hai. Width of the road. I just say in triangle PQO. I say tan 60 degree is equal to PQ upon PO. Tan 60 is root 3. PQ is 20. PO we don't know. So we'll get PO is equal to 20 upon root 3. Or you can say this is, if I rationalize it with root 3 you'll get 20 root 3 by 3. Simplify kar sakte hain, right? Similarly take root 3 as 1.73. 1.73 they have told. Yes, take it as 1.73. Okay? Then in triangle SOR, I'll say tan 30 degree will be equal to SR upon RO. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. SR is 20 upon RO we need to find out. From here RO will be 20 root 3 multiplied with 1.73. The length of the road PR will be PO plus OR. So you'll be getting 20 root 3 by 3 plus 20 root 3. Okay, so if you take LCM ले लोगे. So 20 root 3 and this multiply with 3. So plus 60 root 3 divided by 3. Finally you are getting 80 root 3 by 3. Write root 3 as 1.73. Solve karo, you'll get your answer. Okay? Clear? Okay, bacha, so that is around 46.24. It is going to be around 46.24. Okay? Then if the angle of elevation made by the pole PQ is 45 degree, then the length of PO kitna hoga? So if I change this angle to be 45 degree, then the length of PO, so I'll say tan 45 degree will be equal to PQ by PO in triangle PQO. So tan 45 is 1, PQ is 20, PO will also be equal to 20. How easy it is, right? Correct बच्चों? देख लो, easy problems हैं, throughout easy problems, and introduction to trigonometry is compared to trigonometry तो बहुत easy है. All right, so practice well, especially the diagrams. This chapter is all about diagrams. Diagram अच्छे से practice कर लिया, no one is going to stop you in this particular chapter. अच्छे marks आ सकते हैं, very good chances of getting out of out. ठीक है, and any guidance, GPE Pro is your code to get 50% off up to rupees 2000. Join कर लो, you'll have lots and lots of benefits. Alright बच्चों, ठीक है. So I've already told you the prices have decreased during the Vedantu Side Fest. Go for it, join it. You can see 2 batches, 1 batch which has already started on 24th January. If you want, you can join it, and if you want, you can enroll now only. Start with micro course and enroll for the 7th February batch as well. All up to you. Okay, bachcho, but the Vedantu Side Fest is only till 31st January. So do before it so that you can get the benefit. Alright, ठीक है. So thank you so much guys for joining the session. Thanks to all the students who have liked this video as well. And I'll see you all in the next class. Thank you so much for joining. Till then, bye bye. Sayonara, Khuda Hafiz to all of you. Bye bye bachcho. Bye bye to all of you. Bye bye.